All right, let's solve this question together. Now we are given 4 raised x plus 4 raised x plus 4 raised x plus 4 raised x equals to 10 to 4. That is 1024. Okay, so we have so many ways of solving this. Now, step 1, we can let 4 raised to the power x be a variable, say k. Okay, so we can do substitution here, or make this side k, k, k. So we have k plus k plus k plus k equals to 1024. So we can add the left hand side. K plus k plus k plus k will be 4k equals to 1024. So we can divide both sides by 4. That will make this side. So 1024. So 2 here, 2 here, 5, 1, 2. So 2 here, 2. So it's 11, 2, 5, 10, 2, 6. So 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6. So 2, 5, 6 is equals to k. So we have k as 2, 2, 5, 6. But don't forget that 4 raised to x is k. So 4 raised to x is k. So we have k here. 2, 5, 6. So 4 raised to power x, because so 2, 5, 6 the same as 4 to the power 4. Let's confirm. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. 2, 5, 6. So we have x equals to 4. Therefore, x equals to 4. As simple as that. All right. Okay, so if you want to verify, once you plug in 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, so 4 to the power 4 plus 4 to the power 4, so that will be 256 multiplying by 4. 256 plus 256 plus 256, 256, that will be 1024. Okay, simple as that. All right.